Hello guys, so in today's video we are going to clean up the intake manifold. In order to do that we need to remove this coolant hose, this pipe here, these wirings, and we can remove those 5 10mm socket bolts on this side, and we have 4 more underneath it.
The reason to regularly clean your intake manifold is to prevent damage from occurring to your engine. The air intake is responsible for bringing air into your engine. This air is filtered and distributed to important parts of the engine, keeping it cool and running smoothly. In time, due to EGR and recirculated engine blow-by gases, the airway becomes clogged due to soot and carbon deposits, and it can quickly inhibit the performance and health of your engine. Regardless of the emission control system used, carbon buildup will occur, and although fuel additives detergents can help, they still cannot prevent a buildup from happening. This is why you should try to clean your intake manifold regularly and properly. Now, once the intake manifold is removed, we need to block the airways to the combustion chamber to prevent dust contamination, and we can start to clean the intake manifold. With the manifold of the car, it is time to clean it. So firstly, you need to get a flat screwdriver and try to scrape it as much as possible. As next step, I'll be using a oven grease cleaner, but if you want, you can also use a manifold or brake disc cleaner to soften up the carbon deposits. And you'll also need a stiff plastic brush and get to work scraping all the gunk out. I must warn you though that this method can be very effective, but also very, very, very messy. Okay guys, so that is the intake manifold nice and clean. As you can see, there are still a little bit of carbon deposits. It's not like brand new, but I'm sure you would agree it looks so much better than it did before. And now we can start to fit it back to the engine. But before fitting the intake manifold back to the engine, I must tell you that always it's a good practice to put a new manifold gasket on there for peace of mind. Okay guys, so now that we are at the end, I can tell you that I'm happy with the end product, and I'm sure that my engine will thank me for it as well with that increased airflow. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time.